Welcome to Spoken English course, day 7. Today is our practice day. Today, we will use everything we learned in the last 6 days to speak about ourselves for 2 minutes.
ಇಂದು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Practice makes us confident. Don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly. Remember, don't be perfect. Just keep speaking.
ತಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Useful questions. Use these questions to help yourself. What is your name?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು?
Where do you live?
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತೀರಿ?
What do you do?
ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಿ?
What is your hobby?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹವ್ಯಾಸ ಏನು?
What do you like?
ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ?
What is your dream?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸು ಏನು? ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ.
Model speech. Hello everyone. My name is Rahul. I am 15 years old. I am a student. I study in class 10. I live in Karnataka and nice to meet you. Model speech part 2. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. I love my family very much. My favorite subject is English. I enjoy reading books. Model speech part 3. My hobby is playing cricket. I also like listening to music. I want to become a teacher in the future. I work hard every day. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Now it's your turn. Stand up, speak for 2 minutes. Don't read. Look at the camera or your friends. Speak confidently.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರದಿ. 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ.
Pause for 2 minutes and speak about yourself. Practice tips. Remember these tips. Speak slowly, smile, don't fear mistakes. Use simple sentences. Practice every day.
ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Today's challenge. Today's challenge is simple. Record a 2-minute video about yourself. Watch it again. Find your mistakes. Practice again tomorrow.
ಇಂದಿನ ಸವಾಲು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
Revision. Let's revise. My name is
Samruddhi.
I am
a student.
I live in
Baihangal.
I study in
5th standard.
My hobby is
My hobby is drawing.
I want to become
I want to become a teacher in future.
excellent. Homework. Speak about yourself for 2 minutes. Practice 3 times today. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Congratulations! You have completed day 7. Keep practicing every day. See you in day 8 with another useful spoken English lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more spoken English lessons.
ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Happy learning!